What's up, y'all, and welcome back to the channel. Today is actually just gonna be a pretty quick video because I'm a little bit disappointed, man. I'm just leaving my mailbox right now, and a part that I have been waiting on all week just came in, and the color, I feel like I'm gonna just say I feel like I got finessed. I feel like I got finessed. I ordered this part off of Amazon, and this part looked bright red on the actual advertisement, but when I got the thing, this thing is more so like burgundy. So it completely killed my vibe for the day. Not in a bad way, not as far as shooting a video, but as far as getting this modification done that I wanted today. And here, I'm gonna go ahead and let me just park my car right now. I'm just coming from the mailbox, man. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm working with right here, man. So look, I went ahead and ordered this. I'm pretty sure you guys seen these things on eBay and Amazon. So I thought I wanted to be a little bit different and go with the carbon fiber steering wheel insert. So basically, for the most part, this thing is supposed to attach in here. So like I said, this thing on the actual advertisement looked bright red, but today I popped it open and this thing is pretty much burgundy. And if I set this on my seat right here, you pretty much see, man, this thing does not match. It does not match none whatsoever. So good thing about Amazon is they do return, so I'm returning this joint, man. I already actually placed the order for another one, but I did it on eBay this time. This time it's just gonna be the solid red joint, and it should pretty much match up with my interior for the most part. So yeah, man. But on another note, I'm actually gonna discuss some of these modifications in one of my next big videos, where I'm talking about some mods that you can get for under 30 bucks, some dope mods you can get under 30 bucks. Now I'm just gonna show you. I'm not gonna really go too much into detail about it, but I'm gonna show you. I just got a little bit excited and I had to do it because, you know what I'm saying, like I was just pumped. I'm like, you know what, let me just go ahead and throw it on the car. But let me stop talking, let me show y'all real quick. So this start button right here, I went ahead and got that on. Ordered that thing from eBay. Has the RT symbol, and I think that makes it pop with the actual red and black in the vehicle, man. So, but yeah, man, that pretty much is gonna wrap it up for the video, man. I'm a little bit disappointed, man. You have to watch sometimes what you order off of these websites, what you order off Amazon, because sometimes these sellers, they just trying to get their money. But the good thing about Amazon is they have a good return policy, so I'm going to be able to return it. But one thing I want to do before I get out of this video, I want to give a shout out to some of my guys, man. Mr. Darkman, Rondo 392, Burnsies RT, because you guys have gave me some pretty good ideas on what I want to do next as far as modifying the car, man. I'm been heavily debating on what I want to do next, but I think I want to start with the motor a little bit, man. I want to get that Hellcat intake air box, but I just need to make sure that I get the right one to fit my car. And I think Burnsies, I have to go back to my comments, but I believe Burnsy, he hooked it up and gave me an exact link to where I can go ahead and get that part. So that's going to be the next major thing that I'm going to do. Also, one of my other new subscribers, can't remember his name, man, I apologize, but you gave me the link for the LED lights. I'm actually going to order those LED lights, and I think that's going to set the car off a lot, man, for the most part. And from what I've been seeing is you could actually install the LED lights kind of like under the actual cabins, and it kind of brightens the car up a little bit. Oh, and another thing, these dual lights, man, these things gotta go. So I found a plug on Amazon for those. I think the lights are like $9.99. I'm gonna go ahead and change those out to some high quality LED lights, and I'm still trying to figure out what else I want to do with the interior. I mean, everything else is pretty much done. I think I may add some of these. I saw on eBay they had some of these little ring covers that goes around these knobs that are bright red, that'll help some of the red pop. But I don't know if I want to touch anything in my actual dash cluster and in the actual infotainment system. I don't know if I want to touch anything up here, but I'm still trying to figure it out. But that pretty much wraps it up for the video, man. Like I said, today I thought I was doing the modification. The part got here, and yeah, watch what you order on Amazon, man. Watch what you order on Amazon. We will come hard next week, though, man. You guys have a blessed day. Take care, and y'all stay safe out there.